About a week ago, I was detailing my car, and something happened with the center console. What happened is it wouldn't shut unless I slammed it, and so I thought that it was broken. Took the center console out, which I made another thread on actually putting felt in to get rid of creaking and noise in the G37. I did it in G37.com, myG37.com. Well, so I had the center console out, or the bezel around the shifter in an automatic. When I had it out, the cup holder was closing. I thought that, the issue was resolved. Must not have been what I thought it was. Put it all back together and then found out that it wouldn't close again. So about a week later, taking it apart, what I found is the center console does work properly. However, the lever that engages the latch is loose because of a pin under here. So this lever has some slop in it that it shouldn't normally have. You'll see when I open and close this, see how it's see the gap, or see the way the lever is moving? What that's meaning is that when the center console is back in place and the additional material doesn't allow this to push down so far, it actually won't close. So when you take this apart, there's a pin. People talk about replacing the pin. Sorry for the camera here. People talk about replacing the pin with like a small 8mm screw. I might do that. When I pull this off, there appears to be just an insert. Oops, sorry. Appears to be just an insert that goes in there. Nothing appears to be broken. And, oops, there's a pin right there. I'm going to dig into it. It appears to be metal that looks like it's pushed back into the mechanism, and I need to push it out. So that's what we're going to try. And I'll post some pictures. I'm not going to post another video of this. I'll post some pictures if it fixes it.